Hey yo everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for stopping through. Please check out some of my other content. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ding that bell, and get notified on future content as I put it out. And if you are a returning subscriber, you rock. Thanks again for coming to listen to me ramble. So in today's video, we will be talking about a misconception when it comes to snakes and their ability to hear. So when we think about our ability to hear, we automatically think about our ears. And most mammals, I believe, actually have very visible appendages or whatever you want to call it, that are actually their ears. And we are able to identify those things as ears. When we're growing up, we learn our body parts and we learn what our ears are. So it becomes natural for us to associate ears with hearing. Even animals like lizards have discernible holes in the sides of their heads, which are their version of ears. So if we were to see those, we could identify them as ears and know that that animal is capable of hearing. However, if you were to look at a snake's head, you would not be able to find anything that lets you know that this snake is actually able to hear because they don't have any ears as far as we're concerned because we can't see anything there. That being said, when you see something without ears, it's automatically assumed that that animal is incapable of hearing. However, this is a really big misconception that snakes are actually 100% capable of hearing. This is because even though they don't have outer ears, they do have what is called their inner ear. This inner ear is connected to their lower jaw. So as a snake is kind of sitting around or moving around or doing whatever it is that the snake is doing, it is able to actually pick up the vibrations from sound that travels through the ground in through its jaw. Now these vibrations are actually sent through to this earlobe, to this ear hole, and in this ear there are nerves that are actually able to send those vibrations into their brain, which then transmits those vibrations into actual sound for the snake, so that a snake is actually able to identify sound as well as use that sound to get a general idea of the location which that sound is coming from. Now, because their ears are obviously on the inside, covered by scales and all sorts of other things, their sound is not exactly as clear as we might hear things. And because their sound is solely dependent on the vibrations that sound actually puts off, there are certain sounds that are more heard by a snake than others. Something with a low frequency is definitely more likely to put off sound waves that the snake is actually able to pick up through the vibrations in the ground or the air, and the snake can actually hear those. While something with a higher frequency doesn't really put off as strong of sound waves, so the snakes aren't able to actually feel those vibrations as much, therefore are not able to actually register them in their brain as sound, and so can't quite hear them as well. So somebody with a deeper bass in their voice might actually be heard more by a snake than somebody who has a voice like, say, Mickey Mouse, where it's all super high pitched and not quite actually easily heard by the snake. So while snakes may not be able to hear the way you and I hear, they are still able to hear thanks to those inner ears. Of course, it just sounds a little bit more muted for them than it does for us. I imagine for a snake, it kind of sounds like if we were to have some really high-powered sound blocking headphones or earplugs. So it would not block all the sound, but it would definitely block a lot of the sound and kind of mute things. And I imagine it'd be like just kind of walking around with their ears kind of muted or covered, or even kind of like, have you ever been underwater and hearing the sounds from outside of the water? I imagine it probably sounds a little bit like that for a snake as well. But that being said, just because a snake doesn't have ears that we can't see, that we can see, doesn't mean that a snake can't hear. As snakes are 100% capable of hearing, they just hear differently than you and I. So I hope this video was helpful to somebody out there who might still think that snakes are incapable of hearing, because snakes can hear. So we just want to do a little bit of snake anatomy for you guys today. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this ramble because that's what's starting to happen again. You guys take care, love yourselves, love your loved ones, love your reptiles, and you guys keep spreading those herbs.